How to recover a disabled Facebook account using an appeal form. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover Facebook account using appeal form. So after you open up your phone now like this, now go to your browser. After you open your browser, now go to this website wiki, this one. Wiki, type wiki. So after you type wiki like this, here is the website wikihow.com/contact Facebook, this one. So tap on this link. I will give you the link in the comment section of this video. After you tap on the link, here is this, as you can see now, here it says how to contact Facebook, easy ways to get account help. Now scroll to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, here is the first link. If your personal account was disabled, so here is the form. Now if you tap on this link, it will give you, as you can see now, here is the link. If you tap on this link, now it will give you access to fill in the form. So after you fill in the form, now Facebook will reach out to you using the email address that you gave them in the form. So like for 24 hours or 48 hours, you can get a reply from Facebook about your disabled account. That's it guys on how to recover disabled Facebook account using a fill form. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.